liu, to stay. Liu is a word you'll often hear together with student, as in 留学生, meaning a foreign student. When translated directly, Chinese becomes quite literal. So, if you think about it, when we say a staying student, its meaning becomes quite clear. This is the first second tone character of this lesson. So remember to say it with the same rising inflection you might use when asking, huh? 香港, Hong Kong. 香 means fragrant, and gang means harbor. So while in English, the place is called Hong Kong, the literal translation is, of course, fragrant harbor. You'll often hear people describing food by saying 好香, meaning it smells good. 香 also means incense. And when coupled with 水, we get fragrant water. 香水, meaning perfume. 香 is this lesson's first tone character. So, if you've been learning Chinese with us in previous lessons, you'll remember the first tone has to be sung, much in the way a person warms up before singing. La 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 la. And then, 香香香. Gang is this lesson's first occurrence of the third tone. For proper third tones, we have to remember to begin at nearly the bottom of the voice. And from there, imagine scooping upward toward the pitch of our more normal speaking register. Let's practice it a few times in the first lesson. Gang, gang, gang. 出门, to leave the house, to go out. Again, 出门 is perfectly literal translation. 出 here means to go out, and 门 means door or gate. Hence, naturally, when one goes out from the door, he or she is leaving. When you are actually next searching for an exit in China, however, look for the sign that says 出口, because going out through the entrance or opening. 口 means exit. 欣赏, admire, appreciate. 欣 means happy or joyful, while 赏 here means to admire or recognize as special. Thus, for example, if someone says to you, 我很欣赏你, they're telling you that you possess both a joy and a gift, and your qualities are admirable. Simply put, you are appreciated. Much in the same way, appreciate is used in English. 欣赏 is also often used to express appreciation for things. For example, 我非常欣赏巴哈的音乐. I really appreciate Bach's music. Or, 我很欣赏用功的人. I really appreciate diligent people. 部 major word for movie. 一部电影 means a movie. 部 is just one of many differing measure or unit words in Chinese. Oftentimes, 一个 can replace almost any other given major word. 部, however, is one that is seldom, if ever, replaced. It's generally safe to say that if we're talking about 电影, movies, 部 is always going to be the accompanying major word. If you've been paying attention, you probably noticed that 部 is this lesson's debut fourth tone character. Fortunately, Most native English speakers don't have too much difficulty with fourth tones, as it simply requires the same sound you make when being assertive, or even a little angry. Though, do be careful, you don't have to raise your volume, you just have to say it with conviction. 演员 actor, actress. 演 here means to perform, play, or act, while 员 is a person that does a particular thing or is engaged in the field of activity. Take particular note of 员 as many times you'll hear it used as the second character when we refer to people in work-related capacities. In this instance, 演员 is a person that acts professionally.